So, hanapin nyo lang yung ating 8%, that is the Schedule 2. So, yung sales receipts, sales revenues receipts keys natin, so balikan natin yung ating Excel file. So, yung sales natin is 145,775. 145,775. Yan. Again, non-operating income, if may mga other income kayo na hindi related sa inyong business. For example, nag-garage sale kayo, yung mga not related sa inyong business. So, in most cases, 0. Yan. So, total income for the quarter is still 145,775. So, dito sa number 50, add total taxable income from the previous quarter. So, first quarter pa to. Again, 0 lang yan. And that would give us the same itong cumulative taxable income as of this quarter na 145,775. So, number 52, so ito wag niyong kakalimutan na may allowable tayo na reduction if purely business tayo or practice of profession. So, sa mga mixed income earner, so hindi na nag-a-apply yung 250,000 dito. So, proceed tayo. Kita nyo, yung ating taxable loss is 104,225 and that would give us yung tax due na 0.